Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and my new tutorial. On previous video we installed TubeBuddy in YouTube channel. In this video we are going to upgrade starter version to pro version for free. If you are a beginner YouTuber, I recommend you to install TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel. It help and recommend you to make correct video title and video tags. TubeBuddy explore all types of tags and titles for your cooking video, vlogging, games and education videos. If you already have installed it on your YouTube, click here on TubeBuddy logo. It's starter TubeBuddy version, but we want to upgrade it to Pro. Here go to Keyword Explore and type your title. Click on Explore. We got excellent score with this title. But here we can see just 3 title recommendation in starter version. For getting more and complete title recommendation, need to upgrade to Pro version. We can see all related videos are already is in YouTube with this title. Here you can see video tags are also limited. Click on Upgrade now. Accept all privacy policy. And click on Sign in with YouTube. Here choose an account for continue to TubeBuddy. And select your channel. Click on Allow. It's page that if you want to buy TubeBuddy. If you want to pay and buy it, you can take cheaper by clicking on I have less than 1000 subscribers. For this video we don't want to pay. We want to upgrade it for free. So go to Home. From here, select and click on Health Report. You can got it free for 14 days. Click on it. Now go and open your channel. Click on TubeBuddy logo. Open Keyword Explore. And type your title. Now on the right side you can see many same recommendation title that you searching on Keyword Explore. Here TubeBuddy recommend you keyword that people searching on YouTube about your video. You try to select the best and excellence one for your video. Here are all tags video that you can copy it for your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it and see you on next video.